When I reach there, I got tell am say I wan do Ghana with the big one. I know say my hair na virgin. I got tell am say e go be big. You say how many? Now say into two. You say attachment one two. You say na two go reach me. I come say okay, no problem. Two come be 2004. You say to do 2005. I come say okay. So when he want to, he draw attachment finish. As he want to the, he don't use earth control. That's how you don't use earth control to do. He say he know me. I say which one be know me? Use earth control to do. He say he know me. Say before hair control come, people know they do it. I come say okay. I come like maybe now another pattern. Say na Nigeria now. As he come do one, me I say the hair when I show say I want do. The front now 1 2 3 4. Yes, as you do the first one, it comes small. You know that sir. It's small. I got to say, Amanda, this one small. You see, I need to say maybe if you cut, I say not possible for you to cut her. Then I say you can't lose and complete her. Which now me they cut attachment. I know they look my phone. My phone they bag. So now so she come to do me and not look her. She cut the second one.
Mirror not there.
Mirror not there. She cut the second one. So where mirror be there before, she can't say sun dey come that place. So mo now she mo go where sun or the now I can say okay, I follow her. Mommy, now when person call me for video call, he say he want to. I say they tell say yeah you didn't I say I dey do my hair. Say me I show the hair. And I say I tell raise my phone, do my hair like this. He say which kind of stupid hair I dey do, which kind of mumu you hair be do. I say now me even take see the hair with me they do. Me be never even know say the hair with me they do no good. That's why I come say. So based on I dey line with the person, I know you fit can't talk anything. I just want they laugh. He say me I not carry this hair oh go ask oh. The other one say me I put one key because the hair no good. They can't dey. Let me go tell the woman say but this hair what you do so. You no sleep. He say why me they talk like that? Whether me no say to do it they hard. Now me tell her say me they do hair. He said to do it there, and I say me they do it. Not be say to do it they hard. Now he say my hand not be like who they do hair. Whether na hand they say they know. I don't know what they the hand. So he say my hand not be like who they do hair. See the way my sister take open mouth.
So
I not pay. So I never talk finish now. You wait. Oh, she can't say this has people they line up for a store. They beg her. May do hair. People they line up. What's in do? Now so the woman do hair. This one not be even packing. See the hair. In four. And when the woman they do my, I say they gist with another person. He go all pull hand from my hair. No place. He go all they talk to person. Me, my name go call the payment, especially the boss say madam. I bet don't I go say in the do in the do. This woman do my hair. He no use needle and thread. Take pack her made for stand. He use rubber band. Huh? Which water? Which burner? It's he trimmer. He trim the tip. Yes, he trim the tip. They can't bring whether na my hair you won't trim. Nobody know. You can't use rubber band. They can't pack her. They can't trim her. I say don't finish. She say yes. I just invest. I not even ask her say. You know, I ask her that I go put her down. I not even remember. The hair not be like hair. See my hair. See. It not be like hair when I do today. It not be like hair when I do today.
Oh, Bobo, I mean, what big attachment in Ozo? Do you have no way? We get to find no more words. You know, Christian, person they call her for video call. You know, say make that one come make fair use say look am. Oh madam, as me you wait, me I get up, go look am for a side store where mirror dey.
First they do this my hair so you know pay.
Me asa.
I know pay, eh?
I eat here when I go get to tell me no.
Go pay for my fashion.
See the thing be say when this person who coming for video call now this one she dey do this center one. You dey grace. If na your body I'll get power. This I no hear wetin talk. The thing be say when the person who coming for video call now this one she dey do.
Man of calling.
Now this one she dey do. So wetin be the this thing? The thing really pay me. Mommy, e no finish like that o. Mama dey provoke. E pikin na so they come dey play last rubber band so they play wetin they call am that shooting this thing. Form of catapult abi no be dem dey call am. Arrow they come dey shoot. I come say mona no knack me o. The other one go run. Can you imagine say before I know e don knack me for this place. I say I did that. Yeah. Acha Jesus I sit down again. Baba dey look. He dey look the hair. Na so I take shout Jesus. Na ring road I for do am. New Benin, sorry. We have for fair do that one. The girl dey busy because say no fit do am. So when I say okay, no problem. Yeah, that one when I do, see how people they say, guys, the video I did, that hair video, I will video that one I want to post on YouTube. The hair too fancy. See, God forbid. This woman, you know, I be doing a zero. Oh, you see they, I mean, what's part of it? You see they get man too. If they get man, I say they talk say, people they line up for a store. Whether me think say to do it easy. Which share you they do? What you they do? But I don't feel talking. Tomorrow I'll lose the hair. Go down. My hair will not put original hair. See my hair heart. See my hair. See my hair. Oh God, I'm not feeling that. Even the girl when they talk to me says, now so that they laugh for the hair. He said, I bet I not use the hair waka. Now I say, you should be man not use the hair waka. No, but now they tell me say Nigeria can do it. See here now. See here. She's very nonsense. Yeah. I'm not going where they go again now. Say, I must go do this here tomorrow. The money I said to be I waste time. The thing is say, I don't even come on for the store because the woman I even want attachment. You never reach one attachment where she use. So the thing is vex me. Oh, what to do now? The woman do rubbish. You know, black hair when I do today. See, my hair na virgin, I know, but at least, and this place and the way they pay me as I even they talk so. I be one lose her. My husband say, I lose it. I say no, Mama, I was at home on see this. As my husband see me, he laugh.
When I go, Mona to a dewa. Mona asa, the girl is at okay. I go to my girl is getting. And who asa? Yes, Agba,
Oh God! Oh my God! Is asking me.
Yeah, I'll be one man. I have to pay when I make 500 naira. For example. me when you hide there, now we're worrying now. In your I soak.
I don't feel like they pay me. Mommy, not use that kill me. Though it's well.
If I'm not there.